everyone, this video is about the unboxing of my paperback. So my book, Open Up to Love, Overcome Insecurity to Gain Inner Truth and Deeper Connections, will come in 3 different formats. There will be ebook, paperback, and audiobook. So here I am opening up, and this is there's a thunderstorm outside. How significant this event is for the unboxing, that there's a thunderstorm. Here it is. It is glossy, and on the cover it is #1 international best-selling author, which my books has reached #1 in 113 categories across 11 countries on Amazon. So yeah, and my book, Open Up to Love, Overcome Insecurity to Gain Inner Truth and Deeper Connections. This is the first page and the contents page. The book is structured according to my name, which I mentioned about the Carmen's method. So every letter in my name, Carmen's, right, C-A-R-M-E-N-S, represents one word or 2 words. So it is here the Carmen's method. C stands for conscious, A stands for acceptance, R stands for realign, M master plan, E empower and also equilibrium, N stands for nurture, S stands for sexuality, and also synarchy. So these are my copies that I've ordered. Looks like book signing, right? Yeah, so I'm so excited. It feels great to have something tangible, my achievement in tangible form. Yeah, and it has really been a very amazing journey writing this book. I have started writing this book since like about one year ago, yeah, and there were a lot of triggers along the way that who am I to write a book, and it's a deep process of going inward to draw something out from myself to share with the world, and I wouldn't have it any other way else. Besides my book being in paperback format, it will also come in ebook and also audiobook. This book is like I have a publisher, Lasting Press, although and I kind of like did almost everything myself for this book. Other than, well, the photography, right? Obviously I can't do photography like this. Other than that, is like and I have an editor to work on the editing and the proofreading. Other than the photography and the editing, I kind of like did almost everything myself. I wrote the book, I formatted it, I designed the book cover and the back cover. Yeah, the book is 1.5 centimeter thick, and that is you need certain thickness to have the book title printed on the spine, and I think that this is it's not thin. This is, I find that the right size, not too thick that you don't feel like reading it, and also not too thin that it is flimsy. So yeah, I am now an author. Yeah, and this is like I'm the #1 international best-selling author. So that was really a very amazing achievement, and I'm so much in gratitude to be able to have my books. So if you are interested in my book, click this link here. I have a discounted price for you. Yeah, which is cheaper than where you can get elsewhere. So that's all from me. If you like this video, click the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.